universal props and universal set. This is really handy, especially if you're trying to get away with transitioning from one scene to another without a great big move of furniture. So a universal prop is something that is used by all or many of the characters, as is a universal piece of set. You may have noticed in your drama studio there are boxes or blocks. These can be brilliant as a piece of universal set. They can be a desk, a chair, a level to stand on, a countertop. They can be moved around. You can perhaps paint them and have different sides for different scenes. Or perhaps you just want to leave them black and show us with your gestures and your movements and the way in which you use that black box what it is supposed to be. So universal sets and universal props are something that you can use to quickly create and perform with very little else going on. Really nice for very simplistic performances, and also gives you the chance to show off with your body, with your voice, that you can tell the audience what these objects are and use your imagination and allow them to use their imagination too.